Today we are making something from Turkey. Any Turkey resident in the building, make some noise. Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together. Now you are going to start by sifting all people's flour in a bowl. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right, to the flour I'm going to add sugar. To that, I will add baking powder and salt. You are going to add cinnamon powder and mixed spices. This is homemade mixed spices. You can use any mixed spices of your choice, all right? Mix to combine very well. Now you are going to add either butter or margarine. Once that is done, move in with your finger. Start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, once I'm done rubbing in the butter, it is time to start adding water bit by bit. Let us see, what kind of water are you using? I'm using water from the tap. Continue to add water bit by bit till you form a dough just like this one. Now you are going to cover and allow the dough to chill with the big boys for about 5 minutes. While the dough is chilling, we are going to prepare the spread. In a bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of oil. To that I added cinnamon and the same mixed spices. Mix to combine very well. Set it aside. 5 minutes later, voila, this is what the dough looks like. Okay, time to take it to another level. Transfer the dough to the work surface. I'm going to quickly give it a smooth knead, just like so. We are not kneading actually, all right? Now I'm going to go ahead and cut into 5 pieces. You can cut more or less, all right? Now I'm going to set it aside and start working with 1 out of the 5 pieces. Dust the work surface with some flour. Arrange in a way that it will be easier for you to roll. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough, all right? You are going to roll into a very flat dough. Once that is done, you are going to brush with the spread. Remember the spread that we mixed earlier, all right? Go ahead and spread it all over the dough. Set it aside. Pick up another one from the pieces. Go ahead and roll just like we did to the first one, all right? Once that is done, pick it up. You are going to place it on the first one. I hope you understand what is going on here. If you do, type "I understand" at the comment section. Okay, once you place it, brush with the spread, roll another one and place it on top. Repeat the same process till 5 pieces becomes 1. Okay, it is time to roll again. You are going to roll again till 5 becomes 1. Beautiful shout out to you, Yemi, watching from Edo State, Mati from DR Congo, Sonia from Brazil, Abigail watching from Cameroon, and Queen Pamela all the way from America. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. Like I said earlier, 5 becomes 1. It is time to take it to another level. Okay, now you are going to look for a mold, just like any round mold at all, any shape, any size. Go ahead and cut. It doesn't have a specific way of doing it. But should in case you find it difficult to do it the way I am doing, you can go ahead and use a pizza cutter and cut the dough in pieces so that it will be easier for you to cut, all right? Now, I move in with a pizza cutter and cut into pieces using the same shape of the mold that I was using to cut the dough. All right. Now, once you cut with a pizza cutter, it will be easier for you to get this moon shape, as you can see on the video. All right, repeat the same process with the other ones. It is very simple. I know you can do it. This is very simple. Just use any round object and cut in a moon shape. Once that is done, go ahead and fry. You can bake or you can air fry. If you watch upon this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After dropping into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once it becomes golden brown like so, it is ready. Look at that. Take it out of the heat. Put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil. You are going to transfer in an open tray just like so and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. The more it cools down, the crunchier it becomes. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Is it crunchy? I'm sure you can hear that. This is one of the best tea snack recipe that I've ever tasted. This is very yummy, very flavorful. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.